Do you know what the sizes I have taken for this house? Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen in this video, I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is width is 40 feet, in meter 12 meter, and the length is 8 feet, in meter 2.43 meter. In the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living cum kitchen area. The size of the living cum kitchen area is 11 feet 8 inches into 7 feet 4 inches, in meter 3.55 into 2.23 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, and also TV unit in the front wall. And we have kitchen counter here. You can see the burner, sink, and also refrigerator arrangement. And we have large size window for ventilation of kitchen area. On the right side we have a room. The size of the room is 8 feet into 7 feet 4 inches, in meter 2.43 into 2.23 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement, and we have two large size window for ventilation and light purpose. So we will go inside, and we have a common washroom plus water closet here. The size of the common washroom plus water closet is 6 feet 4 inches into 4 feet, in meter 1.93 into 1.21 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and the shower area. Water closet and shower area both are separate, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. Here we have 3 feet wide passage, and after that we will go on left side. So we have room number 2. The size of the room number 2 is 8 feet into 7 feet 4 inches, in meter 2.43 into 2.23 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement, and we have large size window for ventilation of this room. After that we will go inside. So we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. The size of the washroom is 4 feet into 7 feet 4 inches. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and the shower area. You can see here the water closet and the shower area both are separate, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house designs, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.